Zoomlion Mini Excavator. Due to the zero-tail design, Zoomlion Mini Excavators can cope with narrow working conditions freely. Integral welded slewing table, reinforced undercarriage, and large section working equipment make Zoomlion Mini Excavators higher productivity and performance. The Mini Excavators have passed the OPG TLPS ROPS certification, which can effectively prevent the danger caused by falling objects, tipping, and object impact to effectively protect the safety of drivers. Excellent performance. The powerful Kubota engine, which meets Euro Stage 5 and Tier 4 final emission standards, makes Zoomlion Mini Excavators a faster digging efficiency, a faster traveling speed, and a greater digging force. The hydraulic system adopts a load-sensing hydraulic system, which adjusts the pressure and flows at any time according to the tiny load change to achieve coordinated compound action and better maneuverability. The optimized tail space layout, which achieves real tailless slewing, makes Zoomlion Mini Excavators more suitable for operating in a narrow space. A well-designed, large left-right angle deflection working device makes Zoomlion Mini Excavators perform well in complex conditions, such as digging straight trenches along the bottom of a wall. All-day comfort. The operator's driving experience and comfort is one of the key considerations in the design. Thanks to ZE26GU and ZE35GU's brand new cab with a framed full glass design, operator gets a 360-degree operation field of vision and spacious space. The suspension damping seat with high backrest minimizes heat transfer and helps in reducing vibration from the engine. ZE26GU and ZE35GU own the brand new air conditioning system with recirculated system provides the all-day comfort. Color LCD screen, which features rich functions, convenience, and ease of use, is equipped to display real-time data of the machine. Versatility and multi-purpose. Zoomlion Mini Excavators take machine versatility to the max so that operator can handle complicated matters with ease. They are available for being equipped with a variety of attachments to meet different working requirements, such as digging, loading and unloading, crushing, drilling, and so on. As for ZE18GU, the cab can be quickly disassembled with simple tools. After removing the cab, the height of the whole machine is lower than 1.5 meters, which makes the vertical height of the whole machine easier to pass. Maintenance accessibility. The large-scale, fully open tailgate and side access hood make the daily maintenance, oil and water filling, filter replacement, etc. accessible. The design of the special access port guarantees the maintenance of the machine in an all-around way and convenient maintenance.